On our way to meet Santa, sa loob to mismo ng bahay niya sa Lapland, Finland. They created an illusion na parang nasa loob ka talaga ng bahay ni Santa. Ito sulat ng mga bata kay Santa from all over the world. Nandyan yung mga wish nila, yung mga gusto nilang makarating na mensahe kay Santa. Ang letter na to galing sa Norway. O, di ba nakakatuwang basahin yung mga sulat ng mga bata? Magical, di ba? Parang feeling mo, sumisilip ka talaga dun sa pinto ng kwarto, tapos makikita mo yung mga activity ng mga elves doon. Ito mga elves ni Santa. Kunyari gumagawa sila ng laruan.
Hello.
And then we met Santa himself.
So, come here. So there's 2 places here and 3 here and some of the places behind me.
Okay, be on the side because...
You're coming from Philippines?
Yes.
Or do you live in Finland at the moment?
No,
it's just
visiting.
We live in
With our friends.
Okay. Yeah.
Dito na kayo sa likod. Gusto mo sa likod? Tayo test. Gusto mo sa likod?
Yeah, you can sit down here. Yeah, you can sit down.
Auntie, you can come.
Of course, don't be afraid. It's only me here.
O, diba? Funny si Santa. Masarap siya kausap. Tapos, syempre, kailangan perfect yung photo nyo. Professional din yung, yung pagkuha nila ng picture. Tapos, makukuha nyo yan. After ng tour, matatanggap nyo yung copy nyo ng picture tsaka video.
There we go, looking excellent. And then one more. Excellent, thank you very much.
That's wonderful. So, tell me, you're here for visiting them? For how long?
Until the 22nd.
2 weeks. Okay. So you have seen something here already.
Yeah.
What has been the best part of the journey so far?
Reindeer farm.
Reindeer to see the How about you, Tay?
Did you see the baby reindeers?
Yes,
The one white one.
yes.
Oh, see, so cute, so cute, so cute. And are you going? Where do you live here in Finland at the moment? Where do you live? In Helsinki. Where in Helsinki?
Herttoniemi.
Okay, near the shop called Hertta.
Yeah, very close.
Okay.
You dropped gifts there.
Yes, of course. And for them too.
We'll leave our address with you so you can send them.
You can write me a letter before Christmas and put your wishes there, and then we'll see. Because some of the wishes may come true. Yeah. But tell me, all of you, have you been quite good almost all the time, or all the time?
Oh no!
Most of the time.
We try so
It's a
far.
quite easy question if I say quite good almost all the time. Yeah.
Good almost all the time.
Yeah. Then I think it's quite easy to say yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
How about you, Tay? How about you?
How
Have a
about
question for Santa?
Yes. I try to.
So, if you ever find yourself in Finland, dapat pumunta kayo sa Lapland at sa Santa Village kasi very interesting experience siya, hindi lamang sa mga bata, kundi pati doon sa mga adults dahil talaga namang mag-enjoy kayo na ma-meet si Santa Claus. Thank you for watching!